And I need to ask how many have had at least one argument with Billy Martin. Raise your hand. I have to take this survey. In the name of the Lord, Billy will argue with you. Sometimes he just called me just to argue. Trust the Lord, what y'all doing over there? So saying getting people saved. That's how you shut him down. People being saved and filled with the Holy Ghost. Might not be where you're at, but where we're at. I'm not to shut him down. He had arguments with all of my brothers, but he would not mess with my dad at all. Bishop Barry would not fool with him. There was one occasion when Pastor Elijah was a pastor over the temple, and I kept telling Bishop, well, you have to have my brother come preach for you. You know, he's a full-time evangelist, apostle, he's full of power, so he invited Andrew down to preach. Billy called me on the phone. He said, "Yo, brother is bombing this place out. He give honor to everybody in the house. He's slow. I see why they call him slow man." I said, "Well, you just stay with him. Say he's a slow starter." Billy called me back 45 minutes later and said, "I've been reclaimed. I've been reclaimed." I'll tell you, Billy, I had to write down these memories because there's so many of them. But we thank God for him. And Bishop Aaron Martin, one of the greatest piano players I've heard, they got to play together. I saw that. I saw John Flowers, who's on the organ now, we call Binky. We experienced some of the best music in the church, Lord. I think you ought to give them a beautiful hand. And Billy has played traditional gospel music. Today, I really can't tell you what we have, that we really have to check out our music to make sure that we still love Jesus in our music. So Billy will always be a stalwart for that. The last time I saw him recently with Minister Michael Craig, and again, we thank God for Michael Craig, who is one of the nicest people that you ever want to meet. I think we need to give him another hand. He befriended Billy, and those that know Billy real well, as my brother said, you have to have a lot of patience. You have to read Galatians 6-9 when you go see him, because he will test your patience. Michael stuck with him. I saw Billy in his deteriorating state, and I remember something that my brother Dennis said, that when Dennis was real sick, and about the transit, he said, "Always remember what will help you through death." And I'm going to say this to help somebody today. He said, "Remember me at my best state. Remember me when I was doing my best." And that will help you. Because man that is born of a woman have but a few days, and it's full of trouble. And you're not looking like you did 40 years ago. You know, you're trying hard. Praise the Lord, because this thing called nature that's going to catch up to all of us. We brought nothing in this world, and we're not going to take nothing out. But we can cherish the memories of our brother. May God bless you. Rest in peace.